C1 Quadratics Example 29. So we need to sketch the quadratic and we need to use the method of completing the square. So we need to be able to complete the square where we've got a negative parabola. Now the first thing we need to do is just write it in the correct form. So we're used to having x squared terms first, then our x's, and then the constants. Now it's much easier if we take out a factor of minus 1. So if we factorise by taking out minus 1, we've got x squared plus 6x minus 7. And now we can easily complete the square for this here. So ignoring the minus 1, and then we'll multiply 3 by minus 1 at the end. So let's complete the square for this here. So we've got x plus 3 all squared, because we need to half the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x is 6, so we need to half that. So when we expand this, we're going to get a 9 on the end, 3 squared, so we need to subtract 3 squared. And we actually want to subtract 7 on the end. So don't forget, that's all multiplied by minus 1. Let's just simplify what's in those square brackets. So we've got x plus 3 all squared, minus 9, minus 7 is minus 16. Now we just need to multiply 3 by minus 1. So we've got minus x plus 3 all squared. Minus 1 times minus 16 is plus 16. So now that we know the vertex, we should be able to sketch our graph. So we know our vertex is at minus 3 over here, 16. So we've got our vertex up here, and we know it's a negative parabola. Not very well drawn. And we also know it crosses the y-axis at 7, so we know the y-intercept is 7. So if we look at the original question, if we were to sub in x equal to 0 to work out where it crosses the y-axis, it would leave us with 7.